So cloves will help with that. Fennel seeds and cumin seeds are very good for digestion. I combine black pepper and turmeric because black pepper enhances the properties of turmeric. The active ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin, which is full of antioxidants. The pepperin in black pepper, it helps the body to absorb more curcumin from the turmeric. That's how using both pepper and turmeric together, it really increases the health benefits. Coconut milk is packed with vitamins and minerals, and some of the minerals are iron, cancer-fighting selenium, and magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Let's start the cooking now. I'm going to marinate the fish very slightly with some salt and some turmeric powder. During chemo, everything tastes bitter, so I do not want to add anything too much. Turmeric is very good for cancer. It's a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It reduces inflammation in the body, and it's an excellent antibiotic, and it builds your immune system. Okay, so let's put this aside. This is fennel seeds, a little bit of fennel seeds, and cloves, just about 4 cloves, and cardamom. Like I said, I do not want to make it too aromatic. The people under chemo, they may not be able to take too much of aroma also. Turn the heat to medium-low and add onions, just slightly roast it, and a small piece of ginger. Cashew nuts. Close it just for a few minutes until the tomato is nice and soft. Then some cumin seeds, black pepper. Don't want to put too much because this can be hot also. Anything too spicy is not good. And dhania leaves and pudina leaves are very good. They help digest easily. Dhania, and this is pudina. That's it. And cool the whole thing, and you're going to grind it. So that's it. We don't want to cook the greens too much. And I'm going to let it cool. So spread it nicely so it'll cool easily. It'll cool faster. Okay? And then we'll grind it into a paste. Don't use too much oil. If the dish is too greasy, it'll be hard to digest. So use as little oil as you can. So while the oil is heating up, I'm going to grind the mixture we sauteed. So let's grind this one. I used pepper. So some people, if pepper is too spicy for them, you can skip the pepper. Okay. Okay, it's ground, and I'm going to add a little bit more fennel powder and kasakasa powder, which is poppy seeds. This is fennel powder and poppy seed powder, and a little bit of cumin powder also. I'm going to grind everything together. Okay, grind this to a real fine paste like this. Should be nice and fine paste. And the spices, you can adjust the quantity of the spices. You can cook one time and see if some smell is overpowering, reduce that the next time. Okay, so this is the basic recipe. So you can adjust the ingredients according to your taste. You can adjust the quantity of the ingredients according to the person who's going through chemo. Some more fennel seeds. I'm going to temper the curry now. Cumin seeds, siraham. Cumin and fennel seeds are very good for digestion. And onion. So now let's add the paste to the onions. In low heat, gently roast the whole gravy. I'm going to add very little turmeric. Turmeric is very good for cancer, and she didn't say that she cannot take turmeric, so I'm just adding turmeric. So roast it for about 3 to 5 minutes, then add the coconut milk. Not too much though. Cancer patients should avoid all dairy products. So they shouldn't be taking any cream or anything, no butter, no cream, nothing. I just rinsed the masala from the blender. I'm adding it. Next, salt. Add a little bit. So then you can add a little bit more later. I'm going to taste it a little bit. A little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit more. It tastes so good. Tastes very yummy. It doesn't have any harsh taste to it. Very mild and very mildly aromatic. Before you put the fish, make sure it has enough salt. It's fine now. So at this point, I'm going to add the fish pieces. Fish pieces we already marinated with a little bit of salt and yellow powder. Cover the fish with the gravy. Squeeze some lime juice. Put the lid and cook it in very low heat. Let's open it and see. Looks good. Have to make sure the fish is cooked. I want to make sure the fish is cooked, so I'm going to cook it a little longer. Yeah, it's done. It's perfectly done. You can see the oil bubbling out of the gravy. Perfectly done. The fish must be cooked also. You can see the fish is turned. You can see the fish is turned white in color. So it's cooked. This dish can be eaten with brown rice or boiled rice or quinoa or any ancient grains, or with plain roti. Here is the delicious fish curry, very mildly aromatic for people suffering from cancer and going through chemo. Please share this video with as many people as you can. And the ingredients I showed in this recipe, you can use those ingredients to come up with your own recipes. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. And please click the bell button also. And I will be back soon with another interesting, healthy, and easy recipe. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.